In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Snapchat login error from a new device. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then head into the search bar and search for the Snapchat application. Once you've done that, click on the application, and as you can see, there might be a download or update button instead of the open button, and you can simply go ahead and update the application. If that also doesn't work, you can try toggling between data and Wi-Fi. So if you're using data, simply toggle between mobile data or Wi-Fi and vice versa. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store, click on your profile icon, click on personalized recommendations, click on clear app usage data, and that will clear all the cache. And that should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.